This probably looks like checkmate because the king can't move anywhere. However, when you zoom out and you look at the entire board, you will notice the rook, the knight, or the bishop can simply capture the rook. And also, this bishop could block. And because of those four reasons, it is not checkmate, not even close. You have to remember, checkmate means the king cannot move, they cannot capture your piece, and they cannot block. All three of those things must be true. Now, why am I telling you this? Because I have a special challenge for you guys where I'm going to be showing you 10 different positions. They range from very easy, this is the first position, to very difficult, this is the last position. But they all have one thing in common. In all of these positions, I'm going to be making a move, and all you guys have to do is tell me, did the move that I play achieve checkmate or not? Was it checkmate or is it not checkmate, and why? That's all you have to do. But there's a catch. There's going to be a timer for each of these positions, and you have to figure it out before the time runs out. Please comment and let me know how many out of the 10 you got correct. And by the way, if you're a beginner and the timer stresses you out, feel free to pause the video and take your time. But for everybody else who's been playing chess for a little while, maybe intermediate or advanced level, I encourage you to try to do it within the allotted time. Let's go ahead and get started. As a reminder, I'm going to play the move, and you need to tell me, is it checkmate or not? Good luck, and your time starts now. All right, time is up. So hopefully you have your answer. The correct answer is yes. This is a checkmate. Notice that the bishop over here is defending the queen. The queen is attacking the king. The king has nowhere to run to. And even if you go here, it's still checkmate and you can't capture the queen. Congratulations if you solved the first position. Let's go to number 2. Here is the position. It's black to play. I'm going to make the move for black now. Good luck. Time is up. And the correct answer in this position is no. That is not checkmate. Even though it looks almost the same, the bishop is defending the queen is attacking the king. It doesn't look like the king can move. Remember, there is a rook sitting over here, which can simply take the queen, and therefore it is not checkmate. Congratulations if you're 2 for 2. Let's go on to number 3. In this position, it's white to play. I'm going to make the move right now. Time is up, and if you said yes, this is checkmate, you are correct. The pawn is attacking the king. The king cannot run back here because of the bishop. It can't take the pawn because of the bishop, and there's no other pieces that can take it. And it can't go here because this bishop on c1 is controlling that. So because of that, it is checkmate. Let's go on to position number 4. It's black to play. I'm going to make the move right now. Good luck. Time is up. If you said this is checkmate, you would be correct. Now let's talk about why. This is a very interesting one because it's a double check. By moving the knight, you unleash the bishop. And why is it important that it's a double check? Because the bishop could simply be captured if that's the only piece that was checking. Or if the knight was the only piece, that could also be captured. But because there's 2 pieces checking at the same time, the king actually needs to move off of that square to find safety. But you can't go here because the knight. You can't go here or here because this bishop hiding over here in the corner. And because of that, it is a checkmate. Congratulations if you're 4 for 4, but remember, they are going to get more difficult. Good luck. Let's go ahead and jump to number 5. It's white to play, and here is the move. Time is up. If you said this is checkmate, you would be correct because the knight is attacking the king, and the king cannot move anywhere because he's surrounded by his own pieces. And the pawn that looks like it can capture the knight actually cannot because the queen is lined up on the king. It's pinning the pawn. If you did that, you would put yourself in check. So the answer is yes, this is checkmate. All right, we're halfway, and now they're going to start getting much more difficult. Good luck on the remaining 5. Here we go. Position number 6, it's white to play, and here is the move. All right, well, if you had a chance to look and you said, yes, this is checkmate, you would be correct. Again, we see the idea of a double check. Both the rook and the bishop are attacking the king, which means you don't have time to take the bishop. You don't have time to block the rook because there would be another piece attacking the king. And if you try to move the king out of the way, all of those squares are taken. So therefore, it is checkmate. All right, let's go to the next position. It's black to play, and here is the move. Okay, time is up. If you had a chance to look at that, the correct answer is no. This is not checkmate, even though at first glance it kind of looks like it is. You're attacking the king. The bishop is controlling here. The knight is controlling here. The pawns are controlling here. What could white possibly do? Well, there's a rook sitting here which can actually block the queen, and therefore it's not checkmate. Let's go on to the 7th, this is the 8th position out of 10. It's white to play. Here is the move. Good luck. All right, time is up. If you had a chance to look at that, the correct answer is no. This is not checkmate, even though the pawn's attacking the king. The bishop is controlling here. This bishop's controlling here. This is defended. Why would it not be checkmate? Because of the sneaky move en passant by black to capture the pawn. Remember, when you advance your pawn 2 spaces and it lands side by side another pawn, they have the option to take it. And because of that move, black is able to save the game. It's not checkmate. Congratulations if you saw all of them so far. Now it's time for the final 2. Good luck. Position number 9. Here we go. It's black to move, and black plays this move. Is it checkmate? All right, time is up, and the answer is no. This is not checkmate. Even though nothing can take the knight, which is attacking the king, and even though there's a lot of pieces all over the place, queens that are controlling things, and bishops and rooks, there's one square on the board, the d4 square, that is not controlled by black's pieces. And because of that, white can simply move the king to d4 to escape checkmate. So the answer is no, that was not checkmate. Here we go. It's time for the 10th position. White to play. What do you think? All right, time is up. And the correct answer for this position is yes, this is a checkmate. Now let's talk about why. First of all, the rook is attacking the king. Can the knight block to stop the rook? Well, no, you cannot because the queen is pinning the knight. Can the queen take the rook? No, you cannot because the bishop is pinning the queen. Can you block another way? Well, again, you can't move the queen because it's pinned. Okay, so you have to move your king. But if you go here, there is a queen lined up with that square. What if you go here? There is a bishop lined up with that square. What if you go here? There is a knight attacking that square. What if you go? You can't because the rook. And because of all of those reasons, it is indeed a checkmate. Well, guys, congratulations if you solved all 10 out of 10. Please leave a comment. Let me know how many you solved correctly. And did you do it in the allotted time? And let me know if you like this video and you want to see more like this. I thought it would be a fun thing to do. Not all mate in ones are easy to see, and I figured this would be a good practice exercise. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.